Show's been really good, it's been really positive.
This is a show we do every year, really, really busy.
Yesterday was great, today was even better.
Today's been a really busy day, we've had a lot of footfall.
We've had a lot of inquiries throughout the day.
We've seen customers that are existing and plenty of new prospect customers.
Lots of good contact. The people that we've been speaking to are genuinely looking to do good business.
The feedback is great, turnout is great, really good show for us.
We're a contract manufacturer.
We specialise in a range of work holding products.
We're involved in aerospace, automotive, naval.
We're a workplace storage expert.
We specialise in process equipment to the electronics manufacturing industry.
Rapid prototyping machines.
We manufacture pick and place machines for electronic industry. Looking forward to coming here next year.
We've already booked for next year.
We pre-booked for next year.
Absolutely, yeah, we've booked our stand for next year already.
Yeah, we'll be here next year.
For us, being here is really important, and it's a show that we will always do.